All right, we're back with another story today, and it's another book by Mo Willems, written and illustrated. Do you remember what the author's job is? And the illustrator's job? I hope you do. The author writes the words or the story, and the illustrator creates all of the pictures. All right, so the title of our story today is Pigs Make Me Sneeze. So, do you really think that pigs make him sneeze? Tell me what you think. Let's find out. Okay, pigs make me sneeze. Achoo, achoo, achoo. This is Piggy. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I wanna... Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Oh my goodness, there goes Piggy. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I could not stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But the pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Oh no. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald... No, do not speak. It's too late. It's getting bigger. Oh, Piggy's ready this time. It's gonna be a big one. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze! And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Do you still think that pigs make him sneeze and cats too? Let's find out. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick! Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Uh-oh, what happened to Piggy? He's got a lot of tissues, and he sounds stuffy too. Oh no, did Piggy catch Gerald's cold? Oh my goodness. Guess you better always make sure to cover when you sneeze or cough. Gerald kept sneezing on Piggy, and now Piggy has a cold too. Oh, this is my favorite part. At the very end of the book, there's always something hiding. We read about the pigeon. So, at the end of this book, can you find the pigeon? Let's do an I Spy. Do you see the pigeon? Yeah, there he is. All right. So for today, if you're going to write in your journal, I want you to make sure you draw a picture and write your sentence about what you're supposed to do when you're sick, or what do you do when you're sick. So, when I'm sick, I stay in bed. That kind of sounds right? Or it could be, when I'm sick, I eat ice cream all day. No. So what do you do when you're sick? Write down your sentence and draw a picture and make sure it matches. Also, don't forget your period. All right, bye. See you tomorrow.